As a new or small creator, navigating your way around YouTube can be an absolute minefield of conflicting information and tips. Like, do use shorts, or don't use shorts on your main channel, or tags don't matter anymore. Some of this information is useful, some of it is out of date, and some is just plain wrong. So with that said, I'm going to try to debunk some of the main YouTube myths of 2022. Let me know in the comments some of the BS YouTube myths you've come across recently. Myth 1. This is one of my personal favorites. Longer videos do better in ranking and recommendations, which can affect if a video goes viral or performs well. Yes, YouTube likes it when people watch for longer, but binge watching trumps a single watch and drop. If a video has a high click-through rate and a high average viewer duration, add that to viewers watching more than one video, and this is the perfect combination for YouTube to start pushing out more of your videos. It's more about how your videos on your channel support the others. I've had videos go viral more than once due to new videos recommending it and giving it a new bump in the algorithm. The main reason creators recommend videos of 8 minutes or above is due to ad revenue. When a video is above 8 minutes, you can have ads during and not just at the beginning and end. But making a video of 8 minutes long for the sake of it is a bad idea and can ultimately damage your reach. Number 2, branded channels grow faster than faceless channels. This one has elements of truth. People do connect with creators more easily when they can see your face. But the quality of your video and how engaging you are will be the main reason your channel grows. Not all of us are natural presenters. It also depends if the niche is trending. I've seen faceless crypto channels get 1 million plus subscribers in 12 months. The other factor is how often you upload. Faceless channels can be more scalable as you can outsource some or all of the work. More quality videos means faster growth. Number 3, tags improve YouTube ranking. Yes, this is a myth now. Tags have very little importance, especially with search ranking, though they are a good way to create links and patterns between the videos on your channel as part of a larger growth strategy. But as a whole, tags aren't that important anymore. Most big YouTubers don't really care about them. But with that said, as a smaller YouTuber, we want to tick as many boxes as possible. So doing good optimization for every video is good practice. Number 4, bad videos damage channel average watch time and affect video ranking. This was another big myth that was being passed around for a long time. I even fell for this one, but YouTube has confirmed it's BS. They judge each video individually. So feel free to try new things. It's all about click-through rate and average viewer duration of each video. However, on a quick side note, don't bounce around too much in the beginning, not if you want to grow quickly. You want viewers to binge watch content, and they will only do this if each video was made with them in mind. Number 5, you need expensive equipment these days as viewers expect high quality videos. This is also BS. Yes, standards are going up, but content is king, not quality. The only thing that really gets people is bad sound. So use what you have and just start. People are used to videos and vlogs from mobile phones. You could even start with faceless videos using stock footage or animation with a voiceover. This can come across as higher quality than a grainy, low quality camera will. Number 6, clickbait is bad. We all hate clickbait, right? Well, yes and no. We hate misleading content, but clickbait is actually a needed skill for success on YouTube. I understand the thought of this may make your skin crawl, but clickbait is the psychology of grabbing attention and getting people to take action. You need curiosity to hook people. I've actually uploaded a video on creating highly clickable thumbnails, which I'll link to in the video description. In a nutshell, if you want to beat the competition, then you need to be using a soft form of clickbait. Number 7, small channels should start with search traffic. This was true a year or two ago, but now the YouTube algorithm focuses more on matching viewers' interests and watching habits. Even subscribers don't matter that much anymore. What really matters is keeping people watching your content, so YouTube knows to keep serving more of it. It's actually never been easier to grow as a small channel. YouTube has a team dedicated to improving how small channels get recommended. You may have noticed when binge watching content that YouTube suddenly starts sliding in smaller channels into your newsfeed. This is YouTube giving your content a try. If it does well, then it shares it out more and starts to recommend the rest of your content to that viewer. This is why you need to make all of your content for just one person in the beginning. That's how channels snowball and videos go viral. So as a small channel, I would recommend starting with suggested traffic and not search traffic. With that said, if you would like to learn more about growing your profitable YouTube channel, then check out the links in the description for more free training. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and remember, you're just one video away. Until next time.